Hello students, today our topic is structure of typical angiosperm ovule. Ovule is a small part of flowering plant which attached to the placenta by funicle. So for the explaining I am making here the diagram of ovule. Let's see. I am making here the diagram of ovule. You can see that how can you make the diagram of ovule in simple way. On mid side you will make the embryo shape. This is the structure of ovule. Ovule attached to the placenta by funicle. Funicle present here. This is the funicle. Funicle. Ovule attached by the funicle in the region hilum. Means hilum is the junction between ovule and funicle. So this is the hilum. Hilum. Ovule covered by one or two layer. This layer is called the integuments layer. So outer layer is called the outer integuments. Outer integuments and inner layer is called the inner integuments. Integuments layer provide the protection to the ovule. This is provide the protection to the ovule. Okay. And integuments layer arise from the basal part of chalaza. Okay. And it cover complete ovule but remain incomplete apex side of the ovule and make a small pore. A small pore. This pore is called the micropyle. This pore is called the micropyle. This pore is called the micropyle. When fertilization occur, pollen tube come through the micropyle. Okay. And in the mid section here present the mass of cell. This is called the nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus provide the nutrition to the ovule, to the embryo shape. This is provide the nutrition to the embryo shape, and at the mid section present the embryo shape. At the mid section of the ovule present the embryo shape. This is the embryo shape. Embryo shape. And basal part of the ovule is called the chalaza. Chalaza. Okay. In ovule present the 8 cells, 3 cells upper side and 3 cells down side. And at the mid section present 2 nucleus. Okay. Upper section is called the, this is called the antipodal cell. This is called the antipodal cell. Antipodal cell. And 3 cells present at the chalaza side. This is called the synergized cell. Synergized cell. And in mid side present the polar nucleus. Polar nucleus. Polar nucleus. Embryo shape take the nutrition from nucleus cells. Okay, this is take the nutrition from here. Okay, so this is the structure of ovule in a simple way. So you can make the diagram in a simple way. Structure of ovule. I hope you have understood. Thank you.